You want to remove these screws. After you remove these screws, to pop this off, you just pick these little clips up. And there's two on the bottom, but usually it just comes off with two. So in order to get this off, the ribbon cables off, you just pick them up. Those two ribbon cables come right off. I'll show you a little bit closer. Just pick them right up and right off. Make sure you remove the knobs. And now you have to take these two screws off. After you do that, these two ribbon cables come out. And these pop out. Now you're left with this part. You have 4 screws, 6 screws actually, my bad. So, once that's out, make sure you get the ribbon cable off first, and this part comes out. Now, you're wondering how to replace this touchscreen. I had the same problem. So you have 3 screws left here. Up on top, 1, 2, 3. This is the first design I've ever seen something like this. So all you want to do is you go in here, you have these little, you just push them down, little clips. And then you have 2 more right here. Push them down. Faceplate comes off, and here's your touchscreen. You just pop the touchscreen off, and you replace it. That simple. Make sure you put the ribbon cable through this hole, and then you just reassemble everything. Make sure when you reassemble it, make sure that the ribbon cables are straight. If the ribbon cables are not correctly straight, it's not going to work.